Our today's topic is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. That means both are a fraction. If you remember that when we have discussed yesterday also, that when we are multiplying two numbers or two fraction, a whole number and a fraction, what we did, if we multiply 2 into 1 by 4, we can write 1 as a denominator of a whole number. Now, if two fractions, say 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, we have to multiply. The same way you have to multiply its numerator by its numerator and denominator by its denominator. So, 1 into 1 and 2 into 4, it is 1 by 8. When this fraction is a mixed fraction, say 5 by 2 by 7, first you have to convert it in an improper fraction. So that means 5 into 7 plus 2 by 7, that is 35 plus 2 by 7, 37 by 7. First you have to convert this mixed fraction into this improper fraction, and you have to continue that multiplication as numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Okay, so let's start that exercise 2.3. Question number 1. You have to find the product. Find 1 by 4 of A 1 by 4, B 3 by 5, C 4 by 3. Of means that we have already discussed. Of means multiplication. So 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 is equals to 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. That is, multiply this numerator and denominator. It will be 1 into 1, 4 into 4. It will be 1 by 16. Same way you can do this. Okay. Question number 2 of 1 will be your homework. Next, multiply and reduce to lowest form. Question number 2 is of multiply and reduce to its lowest form if possible. That means whenever it is possible. Sometimes it may not be possible to reduce its lowest form when that numerator and denominator will be a co-prime number. Then you cannot convert it in the lowest form. Say question number 1, 2 by 3 into 2 whole 2 by 3. So first you have to convert this in improper fraction. So when you convert 2 into 3 by 2 is 6 plus 2 by 3, it is 8 by 3. So 2 by 3 should be multiplied by 8 by 3. Now 2 into 8 by 3 into 3, it is 16 by 9. If you say this, you cannot have, or you cannot reduce to its lowest form, because this 16 and 9, they do not have any common factors. Okay, so they are co-prime numbers, so you cannot convert it in cannot reduce in its lowest form. The most you can do, you can convert it in mixed fraction. Okay, so when you convert 16 by 9 into mixed fraction, you will get 1 whole 7/9. That is your answer. Okay. Your homework will be 3, 4 and 3, 5 and 7. Okay. Of question number 2 will be your homework. Next, question number 3. Multiply the following fraction. Multiply the following fraction. Same way, 2/5 into 5 whole 1/4. So first you have to convert it in improper fraction. So 5 into 4 plus 1, it is 20 plus 1/4, it is 21/4. So 2/5 into 21/4, it will be 42/20. You can, it is not asked to reduce in its lowest form, but it's your choice. You can convert it in its, can reduce to its lowest form, or it's your wish, because it is not asked to reduce in its lowest form. So it is 21/10. Next, you can convert in its mixed fraction. So it will be 2 whole 1/10. Okay. And your homework will be question number 3, 5 and 7. Okay. Next is question number 4. Which is greater? Which is greater? That means you have to compare. You have to compare two fraction. But here that fraction is given in a product form. That means question number 1 is 2/7 of 3/4 or 3/5 of 5/8. You have to compare these two fractions, which one is greater. So you have to first do that operation of. Okay, of means multiply. So 2/7 multiplied by 3/4, that is 2 into 3 and 7 into 4, it will be 6/28, and here same 3/5 into 5/8. So it will be 3/5 into 5 into 8, it is 15/40. Now this 28 and 40, either you can convert or you can reduce in its lowest form also. Like if I reduce it its lowest form, it will be 3/14. Okay, and it will be, because 5 is a common factor here, so it will be 3/8. Okay, it's 15 and 40. Between 15 and 40, 5 is a common factor, so I am dividing both numerator and denominator by 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 8s are 40. Okay, so now we have to compare between 3/14 and 3/8, which one is greater. So whenever you have to compare, you have to convert them in like fraction. In like fraction, their denominators are equal, so you have to make their denominator equal. How can you do it? You can do it by taking its LCM. So LCM of 14 and 8 is 56. So this 3 by 14. 56 divided by 14 is 4. 4 14s are 56. So these fraction should be multiplied by 4. So it will be 12 by 56, and this 8 sevens are 56. So this fraction should be multiplied by 7, both numerator and denominator. Okay, so 21 by 56. Now you can easily compare between 12 by 56 and 21 by 56. The denominator are same. Which one is greater? 21 is greater. That means this fraction is greater than this. So actually this fraction is this 3 by 8. So we can say 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14. And this 3 by 14, from where we have got this. So, and this 3 by 14 has come from here. So we can say that 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Okay, same way you will do question number 2. That is your homework. Thank you.